Hi, in this video, I will show you how to join two clips in Capcut PC. So first, you just have to open your Capcut and then import the video or two videos that you wanted to add here. Then the next thing to do is to drag this video, or you can drag one by one. You just have to drag it right here. And basically, that's how you join two clips in CapCut. Now, if you want to group these two videos. So for example, if you wanted to add some effects and you want this effect to apply to both of this video, so you just have to right click and then tap group. So whenever you move this one, or if you want to add effects, or if you want to do something with this video, then it will be considered as one. If you want to ungroup, just right click again and then tap ungroup. You can also drag the other video to the top. You can also trim this one so that they have the same length. And you can drag both, right click, and then tap group. So basically that's it. And then you can move it anywhere or add effects. Everything is up to you. But basically, that's how easy it is to join two clips in CapCut PC. I do really hope that this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you again in our next video tutorials.